Hey guys, welcome back to BlueWhaleCrypto. Today in this video, we will be going through with a quick market analysis for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and one of the altcoin signal that I shared with you guys yesterday midnight 2 a.m. So let's first of all talk about Bitcoin. As in the previous analysis, we have seen that Bitcoin, after creating inverse head and shoulder pattern, this was the area in which I provided you a beautiful signal for long inside the Bitcoin and inside the Ethereum and inside the LTC. Okay, so this was the range in which we took the entry and which already gave us an immense amount of profit. If you calculate it from right here, after very many days, it gave us a 2.14% straight move, which is calculated to be a 200% to 250% profit, depending on 100 to 125x leverage. Any leverage, whichever you have taken, depending on that, your profit would be generated. Overall, what I'm watching it right now, the Bitcoin is forming, and previously it formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, a choppy inverse head and shoulder pattern, as you can see it right here. Now again, it had formed an head and shoulder pattern. Why we got a rejection yesterday right here is there is a reason behind it, and nearly around $16,926, where I booked some of my profits and I have put my stop loss at the break even. Now why I'm looking for a new short opportunity inside the Bitcoin and some of the altcoins. The reason behind is, as you can see, the Bitcoin is already forming in a 15 minutes head and shoulder pattern. Other than this, the Fed meeting, there was a Fed live yesterday night, Indian time 12 a.m. So nearly at that time, what exactly happened? The Fed just gave out a layout that they are not supposed to lower out the interest rate, okay, or they are not supposed to stop down on the controlling of the inflation, due to which this means the market sentiment is still not bullish, the market sentiment is still not stable, due to which is concluded to be a bearish sign for the market. That's the reason I'm looking for some short opportunity inside the market. Now coming up with the next that we talked about, the signal I gave you yesterday is gonna be algo. So we will talk about algo as in the update I informed you yesterday. The entry that we gave out to you was 1855. Okay, it turned out to be a fake out for the first time, but eventually it's gonna break down because it's a rising wedge. Okay, the rising wedge, the most of the time, the 99% or 90% of the time, it's gonna break down. So after multiple touches over here, if the Bitcoin and Ethereum stays to be bearish, I'm pretty sure the algo will also gonna break down, which is right now happening. What I was thinking was, I didn't made a much of averaging, but the averaging part I was thinking of was at 1926 dollars, $0.1929. Okay, but it didn't give me that kind of opportunity. So what exactly I'm going to do is, right now, if I get it, already had given a strong close, if this candle also gets rejected from the white line, surely I will be putting up some more margin to my short position inside the algo, and I have moved my stop loss to $0.1977. One good area to book your profits is going to be $0.1808. Okay, this was all about algo. Now let's talk about Ethereum. Ethereum gave us a 578% profit from this setup. It was a beautiful setup. Okay, so in the previous video, when the Ethereum was right here, I informed you if we get a breakout, we can take a long opportunity, and I took that long opportunity. If you see that, okay, so 1271 is the high that it made. It is 5.53% of profit, and that is very huge, because Ethereum moved up much higher than the Bitcoin. Now I want to talk about why I'm looking for a short opportunity inside the Ethereum. Is just because you can see that it had grabbed some liquidity above the range, right here, that was about $1,274. Okay, now what exactly happened is people thought that it's a bull flag, and those who tried to grab longs right here, they stopped out right here. Okay, let me make it huge. So they stopped out right here. Those who tried to short here, they got stopped out. Now I believe this is the real move of the market, that we would be looking for a, we might gonna go low. Okay, so if you want, you can take some of your entries right here at the current market price, and the rest one would be right here. Overall, Ethereum is more bullish than the Bitcoin, so it would gonna stay a little risk a full signal. Okay, this was all about the quick market update about the Bitcoin, Ethereum, and algo. If you like the update, do make sure to give a like to the video. Do make sure to show your love in the comment section. And as soon, if the more I will see your appreciation, the more I will see that you guys are loving my content and you're making profits out of it, I'll share more and more free signals with you guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.